Hello friends, my name is Sachin Chauhan and you are watching a series of a C programming language. In today's lecture, that is the fifth lecture, we are going to see the execution of a program for the constants. Okay, so without delay, let's start with the command prompt. So here, this is our command prompt section or our editor where we are going to see the execution of a constant program. So we are going to make some little changes in between this program so you can easily understand what exactly is going to happen or what exactly is happening here. So this is just a basic empty file. I have written some line of code here. So the first line is nothing but you basically know the hash include stdio statement. This is nothing but a conio.h. We don't need this statement right now, so I'm going to just delete it. So integer main, or you can say here it is a void main. Okay, so this is a function and now this is the main function. So in previous lecture we have seen the definition of integer, so I'm going to show you the how the integer works. So let's hit a build and run button. So here what exactly shows that it gives output of 11. So what exactly this means that integer a here has a value of 11 called as a constant value of a, and now I am printing the same value a. So if there is no sign given, that means there is a sign of an positive. So here you can see there is no sign for 11, so there is a positive sign for 11. If there is no sign, that means it is a positive sign. So next one, I'm going to just remove the comment, this double slash called as a comment line. So here integer b equals to minus 12, that is a signed integer. So I'm going to print this b value again. So here it shows minus 12 as it is nothing but an signed integer value. Okay, this is nothing but an signed integer value. There is a minus sign given. So I'm going to hide these two lines and I'm going to open this float line here. Okay, let's see what exactly the output is. Yeah, it is nothing but 5.6 times 0, that is the limit of float in my system. That is float c equals to 5.0 is nothing but a real constant or float constant. That means a constant which has a decimal point in it called as a float constant. So I'm printing that is with the specifier percentage f and the value stored in c. So it shows me the output 5 point something or 5.0, and here there is no sign, that's why it is nothing but an uh, unsigned float. Now I'm going to convert it into a signed float like this. Oh, what has changed? Yeah, nothing is changed actually. Here float d equals to 15, that is an integer value actually. That means there is a decimal point, there is no decimal point in this constant, but as we are printing percentage f, that means as we are printing a percentage f value or a real constant, it automatically get converted into floating point number. So 15.00 is nothing but a floating point number. Just change it for the sign, and if I'm changing this with minus 15, so what happens, let's see. Yeah, now what happened, it shows the sign minus 15 here. Okay, that is nothing but a signed floating point constant. So I'm going to hide this one and let's open the exponential part form. Okay, so let's hit run button. What it shows 0.032 Now what this means, float x equals to plus 3.2 e to the power minus 2. That means we are going to divide 3.2 by 100. e to the power minus 2 means there are two zeros on one, that becomes 100. So if we divide this with 100, this this decimal point for first zero goes here, and then again it goes here for the second zero, so that becomes 0.32. Okay, let's clear your concept here. I'm going to remove their comment section so you can easily understand this one, that here 3.2 e to the power 2, that is a positive exponential form. That means we are multiplying 3.2 with 100, and as you know the basic mathematical concept, if we are multiplying any value by 100, the decimal point moves here for first zero value, that is 100th first place unit place 0, then that means it becomes 32, and here on the right hand side remains 10, and as there is one zero again left, it attaches to this, that becomes 320. There is only one value remain here, so 320 multiplied by 1 becomes 320. That's why this value is nothing but an 320, and as it is a floating point number, it looks like this one. Fine, so I'm going to hide this as well. And now we are going to move to the last part of our this lecture, that is a character constant. So character p equals to, as we have seen in our rule section, that s, and in a single quote a character constant is written like this. Then I'm going to run, and yeah, it shows s. Let's change something here. As we have seen in our rule section of character set, that it does not consist of more than one character. So let's see what our compiler shows, and let's see here, it shows the value 0. It shows the value 0, as what this 0 value is nothing but a garbage value. This value is nothing but a garbage value. Okay friend, so it's like this. I hope you understand the basic concept well, and if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section of this video. Please bookmark the series of this C programming, as it is very useful for you as you are going from basic to advanced level of C. So I urge you to please save the bookmark of this series. If you have any queries, please let me know in my comment section. Thank you.